Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform an additional operation in quinary numbers. The quinary numbers are numbers in base 5, and in quinary numbers we have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In order to make addition more easier, you need to be familiar with this chart. 5 in base 10 is equals to 10 in base 5. 6 in base 10 is equals to 11 in base 5. 7 in base 10 is equals to 12 in base 5. 8 in base 10 is equals to 13 in base 5. 9 in base 10 is equals to 14 in base 5. 10 in base 10 is equals to 15 in base 5. So let's look at some examples. We have 1, 3, 2 in base 5 plus 3, 4, 3 in base 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 in base 5 is 1, remainder 0. You write the remainder, take the 1 to the next one. That 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 in base 5 is 1, remainder 3. You write remainder, take the 1 to the next. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 in base 5 is 1, remainder 0. You write 0, take the remainder to the next, bring it down. You have 1, 0, 3, 0, all in base 5. Let's look at more examples. We have 4, 2, 2 in base 5 plus 1, 4, 3 in base 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 in base 5 is 1, remainder 0. You write remainder 0, carry the 1 to the next. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 7. 7 in base 5 is 1, remainder 2. Write the remainder, take the 1 to the next. Have 1 plus 1 is 5 plus 5. 1 is 6. 6 in base 5 is 1, remainder 1. Take it to the next chart, you bring it down. Have 1, 1, 2, 0 in base 5. Thank you for watching.